So welcome back to HomeStar Inspections. We are here doing a 4-point and wind mitigation, and a lot of wind mitigations and 4-point inspectors don't use infrared while they're doing their inspection because they're there just to collect data and fill out the report. However, that does the homeowner no justice when there's actually an issue that they can find for them and have them address it. In this case, right here using infrared in the closet, as you can see right there, there's an active leak, which you can't see visually. You can only see it when using infrared. So there are low-cost inspectors out there that I hate to use the word don't care, but they lack the technology and the will to actually do a proper inspection, and they charge accordingly. So there are people out there that want to pay less and end up with a lot bigger bill once that damage gets bigger and causes a mold problem. You can reach out to us through our website, through HomeStarInspectionsFL.com, for a full home inspection, commercial, residential, drain, mold assessment, and the like. Take care.